Hello everybody, welcome to online class. I am Professor Shruti Joshi, Faculty of KLS, Gokte College of Commerce, Belgavi. In today's class, we'll start the third unit, okay, which is nothing but vouching, verification and valuation, okay. Uh, we'll begin the unit with vouching, its meaning, its definition and its objectives. Okay, we'll understand these thoroughly one by one. Okay, let's begin with the meaning. Vouching is concerned with examining documentary evidence to ascertain the authenticity of entries in the books of accounts. In other words, it is an inspection by the auditor of evidence supporting the transactions made in the books. Vouching is a technique used by an auditor to judge the truth of entries appearing in the books of accounts. Let me explain you in a simple words. See, when something is purchased from the bazaar, the salesman gives what? A receipt, which in accounting terms it will be called as cash memo, but in a general, okay, in general, what salesman gives? He gives a receipt. Along with that thing on which is recorded, what will be recorded? The description of the thing which you have purchased, its rate and the total cost, okay, and many things. Okay, so most of the people throw away the cash memo, or you can say they throw away the receipt once they come to the home, or once they come to their business premises. They throw away, but it has got a great significance in accounting. Okay, in business terms, these receipts is called as voucher. Okay, every businessman keeps it safely and carefully. Why? Because it is the only proof, only evidence of entries made by him in the books of accounts. To verify the recording in the books of accounts is the most important task of the auditor. So, in the books of the organization, there should be no entry without a voucher and no voucher without its entry. Okay, so vouching is what? The checking of entries made in the books of accounts with the help of vouchers. Okay, when an auditor gives his report about the correctness, truth, fairness and completeness of accounts, he has to see whether the primary entries in the books of accounts are true, are supported by authentic and proper vouchers, and there is no fraud involving in these entries. This is called as what? Vouching. Okay, therefore vouching is what? It is a technique in which an auditor verifies an authenticity and authority of transactions recorded in the books. Okay, so success of an audit depends on what? The efficiency with which vouching has been used. Without vouching, auditing is what? Incomplete. Okay, why? Auditing is what? Verifying the books of account. How he will verify the books of account? With the help of the evidence which he has made the entries in the books of account. Then what is the evidence? These receipts which he has received from the salesman will be what? The vouching or the evidence, and these evidence are called as what? Vouching. Okay, now we'll move to the definition of vouching. Vouching means testing the truth of items appearing in the books of original entry. Okay, this is according to J.R. Batley Boy. Okay, next is vouching is an act of comparing entries in the books of accounts with documentary evidence in support thereof. This is according to Dixie. Sorry, I forgot to give enter button in this PPT. Sorry for that. So both the definition are connected each other. Hope you are understanding from this definition. Let me explain you the definition. See, from these definitions, what we are or what we can summed up Okay, or what we can understand is that vouching is what? Checking the accuracy of the entries made in the books of accounts with the help of available documentary evidence. And what will be that documentary evidence? It will be the receipts. Okay, so it is also to be seen that no transaction has been omitted and all the transactions have been recorded properly. Okay, so vouching means what? Testing the truth of the items appearing in the books of original entry with the help of available documentary evidence. Okay, next one, that is objectives of vouching. We'll understand what is the objective, main aim of this vouching process, or this vouching, the term vouching. The first objective or the first goal or the first aim of vouching is what? All the transactions relating to business have been recorded. So the first objective of vouching is what? To verify that all the transactions which has taken place in the business activity are recorded in the books, okay, are properly recorded in the books and supported by the documentary evidence. The main purpose of vouching is what? To verify that all the transactions which are commenced during the business activities are recorded in the books of accounts and they are supported by the proper documentary evidence or the proof. Okay, next, no such transactions has been recorded as does not relate to the business. That is, next purpose of vouching is what? To see that all the transactions recorded in the books of accounts are related to the business of the organization. Whatever the transactions are recorded in the books of account are related to that particular business or the organization, and that all the vouchers are in the name of the organization, whether the proof or the documentary evidence or the receipts are in the name of the same organization or not, and no vouchers relates to the personal expenses of the directors should be maintained. Okay, so no vouchers which are related to the personal expenses of the directors, okay, such transactions should not be recorded in the books of the account of the business. Only the transactions which are related to the business organizations, only those should be recorded, and for such recorded transactions the documentary evidence, which will be known as the vouchers, should be in the name of the same organization. Okay, next comes is all the transactions are properly authenticated and sanctioned. Next purpose of vouching is what? To see that transactions recorded in the books, okay, in the books of accounts of that particular organization or the business have been authenticated and sanctioned by a responsible official. It is authenticated means it is recorded from the qualified accountant, and it should be authenticated, it should be verified by the qualified auditors, and it should be sanctioned by the responsible officer or not, or any labor is any other laborers or workers themselves have sanctioned such evidence or transactions, or the transactions are recorded in the books are sanctioned by the responsible officials or not, that will be verified. Then all the transactions are true and according to the rules. The next purpose of vouching is what? To see that all the transactions recorded in the books of accounts are complete in every respect. They should be complete, they should be according to the rules and the regulations and the principles of the accounting or not, or it is according to the laws or not, the different laws, income tax laws, okay, and the labor laws. Okay, so whatever the transactions are recorded are according to the rules, regulations and the principles or not. Okay, it should be completed in every aspect. The organization has a proper vouchers for each transaction and every voucher has been entered. Okay, so organization means all the transactions should be recorded in the books. It should be complete in every respect, and it has to provide the proper vouchers or the proper evidence or the proper proof for each and every transactions which are entered. Okay, for each and every transactions voucher should be available. Okay, so these are the main objectives of the vouching. So we can conclude that what we can conclude that the objectives of the vouching is to see that what all the transactions relating to business have been recorded. No such transaction has been recorded as does not relate to the business. All the transactions are properly authenticated and sanctioned by the responsible official. All the transactions are true, fair, okay, with proper vouchers or the documentary evidence. Then recording of all the transactions has been made correctly and according to the rules and the regulations and the principles of the accounting. So these are what some of the objectives of the vouching. Other topics of third unit we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.